Welcome to The Doodles, featuring real life stories from real life people.
The doodles I'd undo.
Hello everybody, I am Christian Dupay Anpolidas from Gregorio del Pilar, Ilocos Sur. I am 19 years old and I am born on July 3, 2005 at our home back in Butarag del Pilar. I am the second child from a family of farmers and my favorites are books, songs, seminars, and Taylor Swift. And if you're asking about my journey, my life, I think it is one of growth and experiences that molded me. Back when I was still a child, I was smart, yeah, but I am also very, very overweight. That is why I became the target of those people. Basically, I am bullied. Yes, I am bullied when I was a child. Dahil nga, mataba ako. But, my papa and mama always told me na adi kami na isuda di bibiyanga, ang nagidibiyag mo di i-improve mo gin pa sa yaatem. And those at least comforted me to stand up for myself and found the courage to fight them. Of course, in a positive way. And as time goes by, I managed to lose some weight and gain my confidence. And it's all because of the people who stayed with me along the way. And now, as I navigate in my teenage years back when I was in high school, I found my passion for leadership and learning. That is why I entered different school organizations in the classroom and outside the school. I became the class mayor, class president, representatives, and many more back in my high school days. And those gave me the confidence, these speaking skills to enhance my speaking skills. And yeah, I graduated from Conception Adventist Academy with honors and the vice president of the student government organizations, gaining various awards. And not to brag, I also became the first vice president of the school who awarded us the leadership, who awarded that leadership award that I've been longing my whole life actually. Maybe some of you was like, ang ganda naman ng buhay niya, ang easy naman, ang dami niyang achievements, ganto, ganyan. But my life, especially in my college era, it is very, very far from easy. Initially, I wanted to study at the University of Northern Philippines and take a Bachelor of Science in Psychology. But God has different plans sa buhay ko. When I was in the University of Northern Philippines, enrolling for Bachelor of, what do you call that course? BS Tourism Management. Since hindi po ako nakapasa sa psychology. Then, when I was enrolling at the BSHM, since long yun na lang yung choice kasi gusto ko talagang mag-aral sa UNP. The Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College messaged me, called me telling me that I should go and take an special exam here at the main campus. And a whisper, yeah, as a voice, almost a whisper, whispered sa akin na you should go. And I went to our school today, the ISPSC main campus, and enrolled. I took my ICAT and I passed. Took up CTE, College of Teacher Education. I am a Bachelor of Secondary Education, majoring in Social Studies here at the ISPSC main campus. Gladly, nakapasok po ako. I became an officer of the United Social Studies Organization. And I'm very thankful of my experiences back when I was in high school. Those leadership and speaking skills na natutunan ko noon, it's very, very useful to me now. Especially nung pumasok ako as a journalist at our school journal, at our college journalist, the Falcon Quill. So, to sum it all up, my story, it is one of resilience, transformation, and growth. I just hope someone out there is inspired by my story to keep on growing and fighting. That whatever heartbreak it is, whatever problem it is na papasok sa buhay natin, if we have a God, and if we believe in ourselves, makakayanan natin. Because I will always believe in this quote that our God will not put us to places that we will not shine. And yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Let's see on the other side. Yun lang.